Greetings, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. We hope you're doing great. In this highly anticipated episode, we'll discuss a crucial aspect of the Canadian immigration process: how to convert your Canada visitor visa into a work permit in 2023. If you've been dreaming of working in the beautiful land of Canada and have already secured a Canada visitor visa, you're already one step closer to turning that dream into a reality. Now, let's dive into our comprehensive guide on how to convert your Canada visitor visa into a work permit in 2023. We understand that working in Canada presents exciting employment opportunities in a diverse and vibrant job market. Whether you're seeking to explore new career prospects, eager to extend your stay while pursuing your passions, or simply want to embark on a fresh and fulfilling journey in the Great White North, we've got you covered. But before we continue, we'd like to ask you to show your support for our channel by hitting the like button and subscribing if you haven't already. Don't forget to enable notifications to stay updated on upcoming episodes that will undoubtedly provide you with valuable insights into the Canadian immigration process. Without any further ado, let's jump into the heart of the matter: the process of converting your Canada visitor visa into a work permit in 2023. As of 2023, the Canadian government has introduced a new and advantageous policy that allows visitors in Canada to convert their Canada visitor visa into a work permit without leaving the country. This remarkable opportunity enables foreign nationals in Canada on a visitor visa to search for job opportunities without the need for a work permit initially. Once they receive a valid job offer from a Canadian employer, they can proceed to apply for a work permit. This policy not only simplifies the process but also serves as a fantastic pathway for future visitors who aspire to work in Canada. The introduction of this temporary policy comes as a response to the significant labor shortages faced by employers in Canada during a period of robust economic expansion. To meet the demands of the thriving economy, Canada aims to welcome 500,000 immigrants by 2025. Therefore, the need for foreign workers is more significant than ever, and this policy serves as a win-win situation for both Canadian employers and prospective foreign workers. As of now, visitors with tourist visas can make use of this unique opportunity to obtain work permits in Canada until February 28, 2025. However, it's essential to stay updated with any policy changes and deadlines that may occur beyond this date. Now, let's delve into the step-by-step process to convert your Canada visitor visa into a work permit in 2023. Step 1. Search for a job. If you're currently in Canada on a tourist visa and wish to extend your stay to work, you'll need to actively search for a job opportunity. Fortunately, Canada offers numerous online job portals and labor market information platforms where you can explore various vacancies. Don't forget to get in touch with reputable recruitment agencies that cater to foreign workers in 2023. These agencies can be valuable allies in your job search and work permit application process. Step 2. Obtain an LMIA approved job offer. Once you've found a potential employer, make sure that the company or employer has an approved Labor Market Impact Assessment, LMIA. An LMIA approved employer is authorized to hire foreign workers, which is a crucial requirement for obtaining a work permit in Canada. To ensure you're applying to an LMIA approved employer, you can find a comprehensive list of authorized LMIA employers in Canada for 2023. This step is pivotal in securing your work permit application success. Step 3. Apply for your work permit. Congratulations on securing an LMIA approved job offer. Now, you're one step closer to obtaining your work permit. You can proceed to submit your work permit application. It's essential to ensure that you provide all the necessary documents and information accurately to avoid delays in processing. Step 4. Work permit online application. To make the process even more convenient, Canada offers an online application option for work permits. You can apply for your work permit through the official website of the Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada, CIC. The online application platform is user-friendly, making the process streamlined and accessible for applicants. Now, let's address the audience who may not already possess a Canadian visitor visa. If you're looking to work in Canada but don't have a job offer or a work permit yet, don't worry, we've got a solution for you. The first logical step in converting your visitor visa to a work permit is to obtain a Canadian visitor visa, TRV. Here's a simplified breakdown of how to apply for the Canadian visitor visa. Submit the online application and required documents. To start the application process, you can access the official Canadian government website, https://www.jobbank.gc.ca/home. Follow the instructions to complete the application and submit all the necessary documents. Pay the visa application fee. To process your application, a visa application fee is required. Make sure to pay the fee as directed during the application process. Provide biometrics as part of the application process. You may be required to provide biometric information. This involves having your fingerprints and photograph taken at a designated application center. Wait for the visa decision. Once you've completed all the necessary steps, the Canadian authorities will process your application, and you'll need to wait for the visa decision. It's crucial to be patient during this time, as processing times may vary. Once you have received your visitor visa, you can travel to Canada and begin your job search in person as well as online. Focus on LMIA approved jobs for foreign workers, as these employers are allowed to hire individuals like you. Additionally, you can proactively reach out to recruitment agencies in Canada before your visit to enhance your job prospects and networking opportunities. Congratulations on completing the process of converting your Canada visitor visa into a work permit in 2023. With these valuable insights and knowledge, you're now equipped to pursue fulfilling job opportunities in this beautiful country. Whether you're exploring the vast landscapes, embracing cultural diversity, or advancing in your professional journey, Canada has much to offer. As you embark on this exciting chapter, remember to follow the necessary procedures and guidelines for a smooth transition. With dedication and perseverance, you'll be well on your way to working and thriving in Canada. May your experiences in this great nation be nothing short of extraordinary. That's all for today's video. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. We hope the information provided has been useful to you. See you in the next episode.